author of the Vegetarian Cookbook, Fine Dining Caribbean Vegetarian Recipes, and I'm here in one of the many cane fields in Barbados. I want to thank you guys so much for the overwhelming support you have given me by purchasing my book. Some of you have asked me how I made some of the recipes I made in the book, so for the next few videos, I will be demonstrating those recipes for you. I'll also be explaining some basic cooking terms like braise and saute, and I'll be sharing some cooking tips. So come, journey the Caribbean with me, and I'll show you how you can have a fine dining experience using vegetarian dishes.